Well, it's the first day that I don't have to go to work. I have so many things to do, so many things I want to do. I need to get a haircut, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Today I got quite a few things from Amazon, and I just wanted to share two of the items I bought with you guys. A skateboard. I've never done it my entire life, but I'm gonna learn, and sometimes I might be vlogging from this skateboard. I hope I don't get killed. I promise I'll start doing it just when and if I will be good enough. I don't want to die, and I don't want to break my camera. Second thing, this. A Canon 10-18mm f4.5 to 5.6 IS STM. What's gonna change? It's gonna change. There right now, for example, this is the kit lens, 15 to 45mm, right now set to 15mm. And this is what you see. But when I will put this Canon 10-18mm, right, this one, you're going to see much more than this. That means I will be able to show you more workouts. Why? Because when I go to the gym, they don't let me do videos there. I have everything to work out also at home. So, but the problem is my little home gym is in a very small room. So it's not really convenient and comfortable shooting there to show you the exercises. I tried in the past few videos to show you as much as I could, but now it's going to improve. Because when I put this, see what happens. See? I think you can see much more than with the kit lens 15 to 45mm. It's a good lens, but I wanted some kind of upgrade in terms of field of view, like what I can show to you when I go out walking around Madrid. However, let's see what this lens can do. In 1 second. So now I'm completely in the sun, even though there is some shade in the background. So I'm back to f16. Like this is better. This is good. f16 in full sun at noon, midday of fire. Well, when I said that this video would have been a random one, different from fitness and bodybuilding, well, that's not entirely true, because I'm holding a Joby tripod with the camera and the lens 10-18mm and the Viltrox adapter plus the Rode microphone, and I guarantee you, holding this and keeping it steady, it's like working out. It's like a good workout for the arms, for the shoulders, for the stabilizer muscles, the biceps, and for arms. Another good thing I like about this lens is the way it distorts the image, which actually makes it so artistic. Of course, you need to know how to use it, or your subject might end up looking just weird. I can't believe it, I don't have to fully extend my arm to show you something. My elbow right now is literally attached to my ribs. If I extend it a little bit, it's awesome. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and I'll be back.